Hello everyone, I hope you are fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah, who is entirely merciful and specially merciful. It's a very good news for us because today we came in the garments, and for what we came in the garments, especially we plan to make some t-shirt for our YouTube channel. So that's why today we came in the garment sector, and with me like every single day my friend Arif also here.
Hi everybody.
Yes,
We come here for making some t-shirt for our YouTube channel. I think I will show you
okay, tell me
our
something
t-shirt.
about the t-shirt. What is the color of our t-shirt?
T-shirt color is white
White.
and logo
Yes.
will be black and collar black and hata will be black.
And there will be book logo, right?
Yeah.
From
logo.
front of the t-shirt.
Yeah, because there is the educational channel.
Yes,
That's why.
of course. And do you think it will be looking good when we will put on the t-shirt?
Definitely, it will looking good and awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So viewers, and from today I will try to come front of the camera in the YouTube channel with t-shirt, and pray for us so that we can make the t-shirt very soon, just for 1 or 3 days, right?
Yes.
Okay, do you say something about this place? And today I came here at the first time in this place. So tell me, there is behind the background of us, there is a small river. What is
Yeah.
the name of this river?
This river name is Shutia.
Shutia.
River. I think long time ago, this river is so far. Right now it's narrow.
It's a narrow. But you are saying it's a Shotia river.
Yeah, Shutia
I
river.
didn't know the
yeah,
name of this river at the first time I listened.
Yeah, long time ago I listened my father from my father. He told me this river is so long, and they are catching fish.
Catching fish, yes.
From this river.
That means you don't come here for
Yeah.
a long time.
Long time.
And at the first time you came here, or did you came before?
Yeah, I came before long time ago. I think it's 4 year ago.
4 year ago.
Yeah.
So 4 year ago you came here, but for me today you come again. So after coming here, we see the people, the government digged the especially the river, and
the especially river.
it's looking beautiful right now.
You show me the background.
Yes, of course. There is a background here, and behind us there is a factory, and we went there, right?
Yeah, went there.
Yes, of course.
For making t-shirt.
Okay, and also we will go to the picnic wearing the t-shirt, and
Yeah.
when we'll jump on the bus, and what will be the situation exactly. I think
the situation will
will
be
be
good
and
and,
interesting.
looking good for because that time we will got out from traveling. That time we'll wear t-shirt our channel with our channel name.
Channel name. It's
That will be good.
yes, we are very glad to
And
because
crazy thing.
it's supposed to make this t-shirt before 3 months ago,
Yeah,
But-
it's 5 months ago.
5 months
5
ago.
months
But
ago.
we are back, and after 5 months we are making this t-shirt, and this is very bad luck for us.
Like for us.
Okay, my dear brothers and sisters, you are supporting me all the time, and you are watching our video all the time. That's why we are going ahead day by day. So if you follow like that, and if you just support like that, and if you like and hit the like button as well, subscribe the button, we will go ahead. So I remember you all the time, and also I wish you good luck, right?
Yeah. So brother, you can show the breeze.
Yes, of course I can show
Okay.
the breeze here. There is a
Turn on.
and behind us there is a
There
huge
is a
breeze.
new breeze.
New
and
breeze, yes, of
They have
course.
old breeze.
Old breeze,
They
and
have two breeze.
yes, and it's a new breeze, right?
Yeah, one breeze is new and
And-
breeze is old.
Yeah, it's a famous breeze in this
the
area
Muktagasa-
right now, in
Muktagasa area.
Muktagasa, right?
It's a big breeze.
Yeah.
From our area.
Also, this place is very famous, especially Muktagasa for Munda, right?
Yeah, Monda.
And also
And
for
Rajbari.
this, also this breeze will be famous,
Yes.
right? So say something about the prayers at the last time.
Okay, viewers, thank you for giving for give support me and support my friend. So every day you will support me and like our video and subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.
Thank you
Till
so
then,
much.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. I will see you very soon with another video.